This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, June the 11th, 2015. And now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. A disturbance is going to be moving through the middle part of the country, hanging back into the desert south and west as well. And this is bringing a system in with some heavy rainfall that's pretty much the remnants of what was once Hurricane Blanca in the eastern Pacific. That's going to be streaming in. That's going to bring a lot of showers, thunderstorms, heavy rain will be possible, at least 1 to 2 plus inches for quite a bit of the state. Some severe weather is possible. Large hail damaging winds the main threat. Highs today, upper 60s north to near 90 south, but by Friday, outside of some early morning showers in our far eastern counties, most of the day Friday will be dry. Partly to mostly cloudy though, highs in the 70s to near 80. That period of dryness lasts about a day, because by Saturday afternoon the showers and thunderstorms are approaching back again from the west again. Eastern counties could have the entire day Saturday dry, but the western counties could see it as early as midday. Highs still in the 70s to the lower 80s, and that's going to be the case for the rest of the weekend here on Sunday. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible. It doesn't look like an all-day rain. There'll be periods of dry weather in between, maybe a peak of sunshine, but don't count on it. Even as we go into the new work week here on Monday, showers and thunderstorms are still going to be possible, with highs in the 70s to around 80, depending on what we could see during the daylight hours. If we see sunshine, we could see warmer temperatures. In fact, we may see a little bit of sunshine here as we move into Tuesday, as that system moves off to the south and east. However, our far southern counties may still have a slight chance at a shower or storm down there near the Iowa-Missouri border. And unfortunately, the dry weather doesn't last, as it looks like another system is going to be approaching here by Wednesday, with more showers and thunderstorms possible, although most of the moisture with this looks to stay across Texas and Oklahoma, as if they need any more rain down there and into Arkansas and Missouri. And you can see by next Thursday, the main storm track is still pretty much across the northern tier of the country. We have a disturbance moving into the northwest, one over the middle part of the country, and several in Canada. The one in the middle part of the country is that storm that we're watching by midweek. It's going to be slowly moving through the area, but a lot of the precipitation looks to stay to our south. Of course, this is still a week out, could change. But from here, the plains westward, mountains in the west looks fairly dry. And it's going to get quite hot there as well. This is June 22nd in the extended period. Main storm track still across the northern tier of the country. One disturbance over the Great Lakes. Another off the southern tip of Texas into northern Old Mexico. Could that be a tropical system? We'll have to wait and see. But around here, it looks like we have a system moving through that could bring us some showers and thunderstorms at that time. Temperatures fairly close to seasonal levels, maybe a couple days cooler than seasonal levels, but we'll have to see. It's still way out there. The end of the forecast on June the 26th, we have a ridge building across the western Atlantic, mainly off the east coast of Florida. Its main storm track is still mainly across the northern tier of the country. We have another disturbance approaching from the west, and you got it, more showers and thunderstorms possible. And that looks to be the case all through this period. From now through the 26th, there's going to be several chances of showers and thunderstorms, and some of them could bring some decent amounts of rain. When we take a look now at the satellite image from last evening, you see several complexes of showers and thunderstorms across the Midwest, the plains, back into the north and east, across the southern part of Florida, and also across the Intermountain West, fairly dry from Texas to southern California. The Watch 20 map from last evening, several flash flood watches across the Intermountain West, the Rockies into the High Plains, and across the upper Midwest. A couple of flash flood warnings in Illinois, and some red flag warnings where they desperately need rain in Washington and Oregon. And unfortunately, they're not going to get any rain in Washington and Oregon. This is rainfall through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. We're going to get quite a bit of rain, maybe about 2 to 3 plus inches, heaviest across Kansas, where they could see maybe upwards of 4 to 5 plus.